3 years ago, this number was all I had. No saving, no emergency fund, nothing. Today I have saved $10,000. And this is the exact story of how I went from zero to this amount to finally controlling myself and my finance. I did not become broke because of one big mistake. I became broke because of hundred of tiny little ones. Like it's only $5, it's only $10. I'll save it for the next month. But the next month never came. One night after paying rent, my balance dropped to $10. That was the moment everything hit me. I was so worried, no backup, no plans. Okay, here is the truth. Saving money isn't the hard part. Avoiding spending that money is. So I gave myself 30 days challenge, track every single cent and dollars. By day 7, I had a painful realization. The problem wasn't my income, it was my habit. Every time I was spending money on the things, fancy things that I didn't even care about in my life. That is where my leakage was for my finance. Now, to overcome that problem, I made rules, 3 rules. Okay, the first rule is 24 hours rule. So, whenever I wanted to buy something which is non essential, I forced myself to wait for at least 24 hours. When I do that, most of the time, the urge of buying that one goes on and disappears. This saves me at least over $150 in 1 month. And the second rule is $5 per day saving trick. So if I could waste $5 without thinking just to buy a coffee and a donut, then I could save $5 for myself. So every morning, $5 was automatically invested to a stock or an index fund. I didn't feel it, it didn't miss it. But after 30 days, that $5 grew to $150 a month. And the third rule is stop buying status. I realized something very, very painful. I wasn't buying things because I needed them. I was buying them to look like I had my life together. I was enjoying my life. So, when I stopped spending for that approval of people who didn't care about you, my saving finally started growing. Boom! After 3 years, I checked my saving account, and for the first time, I saw this digit. This number wasn't just money, it was proof that I wasn't powerless, proof that my life could actually change. If you're feeling stuck financially, I get it. Being broke isn't just about money, it is about stress, the fear you carried, the feeling of losing control. But saving your first $1,000 isn't about the amount, it is about proving yourself that you can control your money. So start with $1, $2, not just start. If the story gave you a push, hit like it so it can reach to other people who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe because the next I'm breaking down how I grew my money to $10,000 step by step. And I'm sure you don't want to miss that. Bye bye. See you next time.